Are you ready to catch the wave? What do I mean by this? We are faced with new situations, new opportunities for uplifting and growing in our lives. But if we are not prepared and if we are not ready, we're going to miss that opportunity totally. And I'm going to bring this in the context of weight loss surgery in this video. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to be presenting 3 strategies to create and prime yourself to get ready to catch this wave of transformation. Hi, my name is Dr. Arun Dhir, and I'm a gastrointestinal and a weight loss surgeon. You may have seen many of my videos in the past. And having done over 9,000 procedures now and seen patients after patients, I've come to recognize certain patterns. And in this video, I'm going to share with you this one thing, this one concept, which is about preparedness that is the biggest single determinant of long-term success for anybody who may be considering weight loss surgery. So let me share my screen with you because this is a video in which I'm going to be creating some amazing concepts and ideas that talk about catching the wave. Yes, you heard me right. Now, this is how you prime yourself to create lasting transformation. So, see, I'm sure any one of you who may have seen a surfer and you may have observed the surfers, and I love watching surfers. I don't surf myself, but I see how beautifully they keep waiting to catch the wave. They are just waiting for the right wave until they hop on their board and they're ready to ride that wave. The same concept we apply to any individual who may be struggling with their weight loss efforts. We know that from time to time we get into this dieting mode and then we lose the weight, then we gain the weight, and then we have got many emotional triggers that cause us to make those poor choices. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about certain concepts before you consider your weight loss surgery. How can you prime yourself to catch that wave, get yourself ready for that transformation? See, we know that regardless of whatever kind of weight loss surgery you are considering, whether it's the gastric bypass, the mini or the one anastomosis gastric bypass, the sleeve or the band, it creates a shift in your gut-brain axis. This is the connection between your gut and your brain. We know that there is a neurohormonal connection between the gut and the brain. What I mean by that is there is a nerve which is called the vagus nerve, which is actually responsible for taking signals from the brain to the gut and also the other way around. And also there are hormones such as the hunger hormones, the satiety hormones, which get changed. Besides, these are just a few of them. Besides this, there are serotonin, and your gut is the largest organ that produces this hormone. So we know that changes in the gut are going to create the change in your brain. And I hear this time and time again when patients come back after having had their surgery. Weight loss surgery is what I'm referring to. But this is an important concept that starts to happen after weight loss surgery. And I'll just explain very briefly what I mean by the shift in your brain. See, you may have one brain, but you have 3 minds. You've got a conscious mind with which you are hearing, smelling, tasting, and you're perceiving all these sensory inputs, and all of these inputs are going, and they are going into your subconscious mind, which is where your habits live, your old habits. But they have to filter through this analytical mind, which is like a gatekeeper. It makes sure that only that information comes in that resonates or that is in congruence with your old habits. If I give you a new concept, you're going to be challenged. But this is what begins to happen with weight loss surgery. This weight loss surgery is almost like it starts to open the door to your subconscious mind. It starts to open the analytical door. How? Because I have heard this time and time again. Patients who have had weight loss surgery just become more aware to the sense and to the taste and to the flavors that they get, and they become more conscious in making healthier choices. This is something that happens naturally. And the one other thing that goes in the mix of this change is the gut microbiome. So besides your gut and your brain, what shifts is these bacteria that live in your gut. They call the gut your gut their home, and they start to shift, and they are the ones that are producing all these hormones, all these neurotransmitters, as we call it, that are affecting your brain, your sense of taste, your sense of smell. And this link is the microbiota gut brain axis. I'm not wanting to make it very technical, wanting to make it simple, but this is what really starts to create a situation that allows you to understand how this is changing. So after weight loss surgery, people say, my sense of smell has changed, my sense of taste has changed, my ability to make healthier choices has improved, my sugar cravings have gone, and very, very importantly, I am getting this mental clarity. My brain fog is going, and I've got more energy. So think about it this way, that you're not just getting surgery on your stomach. Your surgery on the stomach is creating a shift in the gut brain axis. It is going to create a shift in this perception that you have. Now, please be aware that this change does not last forever unless you are primed for it. So just like that surfer who catches that perfect wave and rides that wave in perfection, just so that he can create a moment in his own memory. Well, that's exactly what I say. When you look at a healthy couple, don't think that they're just lucky. No, 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 no. I'm reminded of this quote by Seneca that says, luck is where opportunity meets preparation. This is your golden opportunity to create lasting transformation in your life. So prepare yourself mentally now to receive this change. Here are my top 3 tips on how you can prepare yourself for this wave if you are considering weight loss surgery. First thing is educate yourself. Read, listen to people who may have had surgery, who are authentic and who are not there just to influence you, and talk to experts. Very important. Secondly, clear your pantry. Stop getting rubbish in the house. Remove any junk foods, processed foods, and have lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. And the most important thing is make a routine for yourself. I often say that, use a scheduler. What gets scheduled gets done. So use a diary, and very importantly, learn to prioritize. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you stay tuned for forthcoming videos. Thank you.